When working within the BIM360 viewer, we also have a right-click contextual menu. If I select the roof of the building and right-click, I'm presented with a contextual menu. Here I can use the isolate command. Selecting isolate will only show me the roof and the rest of the model will be in a transparent mode. I can select this roof again, right-click and go show all objects. I can also use the contextual right-click menu to hide objects. If I select the roof of the main building, I can right-click and I can choose hide selected. This will then give me visibility inside the building. I can also right-click again and use the option show all objects. For the show all objects to show, I don't need to have anything selected in the viewer. This will then reset the model back to its default state.